Hello and welcome to my first YouTube video. This is long overdue. Committing to YouTube has honestly been very intimidating for me, mostly because I work from home full time and I also post on Instagram and TikTok. So it might be a little much, but we're gonna give this a go. I currently live in Arizona with my boyfriend and my crazy puppy Beans. If you guys don't follow me on other platforms, I post on TikTok and Instagram, and I've been doing that for 2 years now. Enough of this intro. This video is gonna be some work from home days in my life. Currently 8 a.m. and I'm gonna head over to Dunkin' really quickly. I'm taking a quick break from work. Whoa! I work on the East Coast, so I'm 2 hours behind my team right now. It used to be 3 hours before daylight savings ended, so this is perfect. So my schedule now is 6 to 3. Anyways, let's go to Dunkin'. Don't know where to set this up in my car. Always mobile order because I feel like I freak out when I get to the window and I can't recite my order.
Move to Dunkin'.
Hi, I just had a mobile order.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, you too. Made that so good today. I need to go back to work. The whole reason why I went and got coffee is because we're out of cold brew cans and our espresso machine is so loud and it wakes Beans up, and I'm not ready for him to wake up yet. There's a lot going on here. I have to take Beans on a walk, but he's a very stubborn dog and he doesn't like walks, so it might not go very well. We have a 2-bed, 2-bath apartment and we don't use one of our bathrooms, and we turned it into a room for Beans, so he sleeps in the bathroom. Crate trained, he will only sleep in his crate, so it honestly works out perfectly. Beanie, come. Oh. Sit. Stay. Take it. Good, how are you? 2:45 and I'm logging off of work for the day. I put Beans down for a nap like an hour ago. So I nap for too long because then he is even more rambunctious than he already is. Hi, bud. One thing about English Bulldogs is they sleep a lot. When they're not sleeping, they're crazy. At least as a puppy. Come here. It usually takes him 3 minutes to even step out of his crate. Situation we got going on. You want to go on a walk? Beanie, are you hungry? Yeah, that did it. Crazy boy. Good boy. Down. Stay. Putting water in his food has helped him slow down so much, so we do this every time. Makes it smell way worse though. Take it. Currently eating corn dogs for my second meal of the day. I'm just realizing that I'm going to need to go buy a new MacBook in order to edit this video. I haven't really needed a personal laptop since I started working in the corporate world like 2 years ago now. And my MacBook is busted and extremely old, and it's definitely gonna blow up if I try to edit this video on it. I know corn dogs are not healthy for you, but I clearly don't really care about health. They're in my top favorite food. I would say my favorite food is potatoes. Mashed being the best. Sushi is my second favorite food. Corn dogs are probably third. Beanie, what are you doing? I'm definitely not getting this one, but Apple makes a laptop for $4,000. Like I said, I already own a MacBook, but it's extremely old. In college, I kind of needed like a Dell laptop because all of my classes were Excel or programming based, and that was just extremely hard to do on my MacBook. So I bought a Dell in addition to my MacBook, and Dells just aren't good at editing videos, so now I need to buy another laptop. What are you doing? Beans just turned 9 months old. He's been on his worst behavior since we got him, so I'm hoping it gets a little better. You're good sometimes, just a menace 90% of the time. Yeah. These are my favorite dish towels ever. I just got a subscription to their website and they send 2 a month. They also have this green one over here. I had 2 cute Halloween towels as well, this orange one and then this one with bats. So I highly recommend getting their towels. They're honestly very good quality too. This is the name of the store.
Let's give him a real wow moment.
This ball is fuck. Morning, you guys. It is now Wednesday. I just took out my heatless curls and I feel like they always work out so well on me. They do require a little brush and fluff when you take them out. They look a little scary and like matted down from sleeping, but after you do that, they look so good. I will say I have hair that holds curl very well. I think it's because I've been bleaching it since I've been in like 5th or 6th grade, but I think they are worth trying if you're trying to reduce heat in your routine. Now I have to start work again and I'm debating if I should go to Dunkin' or not. I'm probably going to end up doing that. Here Bean's whining in his crate, so that means he's already awake. There's landscapers outside and they come like every other week and he always wakes up when they're here. I did a brand deal with Brooks last month and these shoes have been my go-to. They're so comfy and I have them in white as well, so I highly recommend. I have to show you guys this. I ordered me and Bean's matching sweatshirts. Let's go outside. Down. Bed. Sit. Sit. Down. Sit. Get. Now that Beans is awake, I can actually make espresso at home, which is really nice. Questions asking me how to use this, and I'm not going to be the best at explaining it. Espresso machine or an espresso or anything like that, I would recommend following Ethan on TikTok or Instagram. This video has helped me learn it as well. Something that I do know to recommend is to use fresh beans instead of store-bought beans. So go to a local roaster and get beans from them. Or what I do is I have a subscription with Trade Coffee. They'll send you freshly roasted beans from different roasters across the US every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on what you choose. I'm almost out of beans, so I'm gonna try to get the rest out of there and then I'll show you guys what I have for new beans. I've actually gotten this coffee before from Trade and I loved it. I know you can put in your preferences like dark roast, light roast, medium roast. Measure out your beans every time you make an espresso shot, but I'm too lazy for that. Just put it all in here. And then whatever doesn't fit in the little hopper, I put in this fellow glass container. And this is vacuum sealed, so it keeps the beans fresh. I always make lattes when I make espressos. Add a little creamer on top. Now I have to go to my desk. I genuinely don't know how people get puppies and work in the office. He's pretty high maintenance. He's just pretending like he wasn't chewing on the slipper that he's holding on to. Taking a very condensed lunch break today, so I'm going to attempt to wrestle our Ruggable back under the couch. I just washed it. We sadly invested in this couch before even knowing that we need to get a dog, so none of the cushions are removable and it's so hard to clean, and now it's just very dingy. I used a vacuum to push out all the little air bubbles and it worked out so well. I think I'm gonna wait for my boyfriend to come home to help me put it under the couch. Fluff beans with a peanut butter mat to keep him occupied for a little bit. I'm gonna run to Best Buy to pick up my new MacBook. Then I also have a few returns I need to do and they're in the back of my seat, but it's 3 o'clock. I just got done with work and I'm absolutely drained, so I think I'm gonna go to LGO and pick up a coffee, maybe a cookie. I get the Samoa latte, which is chocolate sauce, honey, and coconut butter. A large. Okay, I just placed the order. Now we're gonna put the return labels on my packages. The wrong one on the... Okay, now I have to get my coffee. I clearly need it because I was putting the wrong labels on the wrong packages, so let's go. My camera somehow wasn't filming. I already picked up my coffee, drank half of it, a cookie as well. Went to Best Buy and picked up my MacBook. 14-inch MacBook Pro with Apple M3 Pro chip. Don't know what any of this means, by the way. An 18 gigabyte unified memory and 512 gigabyte SSD. One of my majors in school was management information systems, and you would think I would know more about technology than I do, but when it comes to hardware stuff, I get super confused. Software I'm a little bit better with, but hardware is so confusing to me. I know this vlog is kind of just me either sitting at my desk or sitting in my car, so bear with me. But when I asked you guys what kind of videos you wanted to see, you said work from home vlogs, and honestly that just like fits into my lifestyle because I'm doing that every day anyways. Realizing that I can't do my returns now because I have a MacBook sitting in my car. Hindsight, I should have went to Best Buy last, but I think I was a little excited. There's not much else on the docket tonight. I think we're gonna get Flower Child for dinner, so that's exciting. I have to send in a couple things to my social media manager. The Easy album brings me straight back to freshman year of high school. He's so handsome. He have a crazy look in his eyes. Hey. Do you want a carrot? What's the place called? Sure. I think it was good last time. Salmon with mashed potatoes. Should I get the pudding from there? Thank you. Thank you. I got this ginormous bag and we got quite a bit of food. My boyfriend got steak, Brussels sprouts, and their mashed potatoes. I got the same exact thing except I got salmon for my protein, 2 things of chocolate pudding, and their sweet potatoes. A little bit colder in Arizona today, so I think I'm gonna wear this Free People set. I personally love this set, but just know if you're over like 5'5" or 5'6", it's gonna be cropped on you. This is the dry shampoo I currently use and I love it, but it's a mess, so I put it on in the shower. It's 10 o'clock and I just mobile ordered from Salad & Go. I got a giant breakfast burrito and cold brew, and the total came out to $5.96. Such good quality too, so we try to take advantage of it when we remember. Yes. Thank you. Hi. Thank you. Thank you. You too, thanks. Watching the birds? Which one do you want? Go ahead. Sitting in my closet, this is where I keep all of my unopened packages. I have 2 advent calendars that one of you suggested I open on my first YouTube video. So I'm probably not going to pronounce this right, but this one's from L'Occitane. I already have and love so many of their things, so I'm excited to see what's in here. Also sent me their shower oil, this milk concentrate, and a few other things. Holy shit. I figured it'd be fun to open these before December so that you guys could see what's in them and if it's worth it or not. So number 1, pine and rosemary bath cube. I'm sure you can put this in your shower as well. Window number 2, we have a little body milk. Going on a trip to Cabo at the end of November, so I'm excited to have more like travel size bottles. Where is number 3? I've never had this scent before, but this is a cherry blossom body wash. In number 4, this is a little bar soap. 5, face serum. I actually think I have the big version of this and I love it. I've yet to try any of their hand creams, so I'm excited to try this one. Number 7, this is a small version of that big milk concentrate. Some of these are so hard to open. My favorite body wash from them, it smells like a mature Fruit Loops in my opinion. So if that's your vibe, and it's definitely my vibe, I highly recommend it. Ooh, this is a big one. Perfumed shower cream. It's very light, but I'm getting some floral scents in that. I could be wrong. I'm terrible with scents. We have another cream, bar of soap. 12, another skincare product. It says youth cream on it. We're on to the other side. I feel like this is their go-to hand cream. A little shampoo. I did not know that they make shampoos, to be honest with you. We have another soap bar. 16. What is this? Little nail file. Fruit Loopy scent, but in a lotion. This is for dark circles. It's kind of cool. It's shampoo, but in a bar form. Your shower gel, hand cream, 22, a face cream. One of their bigger ones. A cream, but a bigger size. Thank you so much, L'Occitane. Peter Thomas Roth sent me a 12 days of holiday glow ad. I'm not sure if this is something that they sell, but I figured it would still be fun to open up together. I have so many Peter Thomas Roth products and I love all of them. Number 12, there's a mini retinol serum. This is a firming primer. And probably my all-time favorite product of theirs, but it's the Water Drench Moisturizer. I haven't tried this one before, but it's a temporary eye tightener. Many of their pumpkin enzyme mask. This is a really good mask. It's a peeling gel. This is their anti-aging face wash. I gave this to my boyfriend because he has oilier skin than me and it has glycolic acid, salicylic acid, citric acid, and it works really good on his skin, so he's gonna be excited that we got another one. I've never seen this product before, but it's the Water Drench Glow Serum. Or another product from the Water Drench line. Moisturizer, but it also has SPF 45 in it. Number gel mask. Mini 24 karat gold mask. And lastly, number 1, I think these are eye patches. So many of these, the cucumber detox eye patches. So I think I'm gonna give these to my mom or my boyfriend's mom. That is all for the advent calendar opening. Those give me like the boost of serotonin that I need during the workday. Go. Two lamps that have been on back order just arrived. Now I'm waiting for 2 nightstands to put them on. And also there was this Baked by Melissa box, and I've never had Baked by Melissa and I have no idea who this is from. So I guess we'll open it together. Oh my god. Baked by Melissa actually sent this. What the heck? So excited. They are the cutest little cupcakes ever. Chocolate chip pancake. That and my back ordered lamps coming just made my day. These are my favorite because Golden Bachelor and Bachelor in Paradise are on.